Good morning everyone, Block Topic speaking with another BTC chart analysis. And yesterday was a kind of crazy day because I've had a 2K long and I got stopped out, which happens. I'm used to it, to be honest. So if something like this happens to you, the worst thing you can do is like jump in another trade, just blindly jump in another trade and hope you can make up your losses. The thing you have to do is like take a step back, take a look at it in a different perspective, try to see different perspectives, and that's what I did. I charted a few hours, and the positive aspect all about this is that I now have a better vision of Bitcoin. I now see more clear, and I think I do know how Bitcoin is going to behave in the next day, in the next 2 days. Let me show you how I think it will happen. So as always, this is just my opinion. This is just my thoughts. This does not have to happen, but I'm using maths, so I'm using charting rules. So it is really likely to happen. And I've called the whole last week. I've also called this yellow box where we moved. I've called it here. So I've called everything in the last few days. Since I made up this channel, I've also called before, but there's no proof. You can watch my videos. I have called the whole week, and this was my first mistake I've made this week. So guys, what I think about Bitcoin, we are moving in this channel to the upside, which is actually a retracement move. We have an A, B, C. This is the view I have. Two possibilities, as always, two possibilities, up or down. A, B, C, we could have topped out here and we move down here. If we break this channel at 16,430, like 16,400, let's say 16,400, I see a lot more downside. If we manage to keep up to stay in this channel, I see a lot more upside. Yeah, I think we are in a 5-wave Elliot move to the upside when 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the red area, 18.3 to 20.1. But first we are in the third wave of this 5-wave Elliot move. It's the subwave, the biggest subwave, which is heading to 17.45 to 18.4. So I have changed the wave count. Before it was here, but in my opinion it is better looking if we put it here because we have more room for retracement. Let me show you. We have more space for retracement because now we are able, if the third wave, and this is the third wave in my opinion, is able to retrace more, it's likely that we hit the edge of the channel, which is at 16,500, around this area, because the golden pocket here, the 61.8 to 65% retracement level is also really likely for the fourth wave. If we go below that, I don't think my move is likely anymore. I think we will see a lot more downside. So until then, I think this is a really likely point of return of heading to the upside again. So this is where I put my next long, 16,500. I had 3 longs on 3 different price positions. I will show you them a little later. So we can also calculate the length of wave 5. Since this length of wave 1 is too small, we would top out here. It's not likely to me. We have to get further than the top of wave 3, so we use wave 4. If wave 4 comes all the way to this level, 161% of wave 4, so somewhere around here, let's take it here, 17,800. yeah, like this level seems likely to me. We could push even higher, or we could push even lower. Like it's the yellow square I told you. I'm gonna take profit somewhere 17,800. I'm gonna take profit actually when we hit this channel. So follow me on Twitter. I'm gonna post when we exactly hit this channel, and I'm going to post exactly when we hit this channel. So yeah, this is the way I see it. Let me show you something crazy I found out while charting the other day. Have a look at this. Please guys, look at the confluence in those charts. They look identical. We have the same moves up here. Even this one, even this one, even this one. And even this one is just 1 hour ago. We came all the way up here, and now I'm really sure that this is, I'm not really sure, but it's really likely that this happens. Like, we have sideways move all the way Saturday, Sunday sideways move, which is really likely, and in the evening, in the night, we will have the drop somewhere to around 16,300. Yeah, this could also happen tomorrow morning or even today evening. So it does not have to be. It's just yeah, somewhere in this time period, in the next 24 hours, in my opinion, this move will happen. So afterwards we will have the pump up to here, and then we will have another retracement to somewhere here, which is the fourth wave of the big 5-part Elliot wave scheme. Yeah, so another retracement to here, and then the fifth wave. So let me show you another chart, the same chart. Looking at this chart, I just want to show you 16,500, how important this level is. Like, this is also major fib level also. 16,550 it's here, and it's also Monday night 16,560. So we can also have the point of return here. That's why I have a small position here at 16,550. I do have a small position, a bigger position at 16,500, and my third position, to be honest, is here, because I think it's a possibility we might wick down. So 16,450 will be the third position. Maybe I'm gonna even put a fourth position at 16,400. Depends, yeah. So I'm trying to get the best price, and I'm also trying not to miss any entry point if we have a early point of return. So that's the actual strategy I'm trying to follow, and I'm gonna take profit somewhere, maybe even here, like 17,600 before, because we have a bigger retracement here, before we go all the way up to here. But I will tell you in my next YouTube video, probably tomorrow, or I will tell you on my Twitter channel. So make sure to follow me, make sure to give me a like, it motivates me. And yeah, thank you for watching. So also here's 16,500. This area will be really important, guys. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys soon, and have a great Sunday. See you. Bye.